What is boy waka? Ned!
Yes, Papa.
I beg you bring one head for me. I beg sit down. You know why I call you today, this moment?
What happened?
I don't say I won't pass sense where my forefathers them give me what they live, because now waiting you know, if you carry you reach future.
What happened?
What you offer now, my son? My son,
Yes, Papa.
what be this?
Panasauce be that.
Collect them. Put that egg inside that sauce.
I should put it inside.
Put them inside. What it be? The egg inside the sauce. What it be, my son?
Papa. Egg sauce.
No be egg sauce.
No,
Now the first way I will pass you today. My son.
Papa.
Yes.
Papa, I no leave.
No, I'm not gonna leave you, my son. I'm not gonna.
Papa, no leave me.
No, I'm not gonna leave you, my son. Make you not still leave your papa, I beg. No leave me follow those small guys for street.
Yes.
Okay, my
Egg
son.
sauce.
Wait. Wait.
Papa, I get sense too.
Hey.
I don't dey learn from you. I get sense.
No. You dey see you don't get sense. No.
Will you keep quiet?
To put alone. You saw say the sense good.
I get sense, Papa.
Okay, my son.
Papa,
Voila.
if I carry palm, come.
Oh.
I want to this palm for your compass. What you mean?
Go, Mickey.
What you mean? Not the Papa. Should we say you get sense? I will leave. I will leave.
What you want?
I told you I will leave.
You be vulture.